Looking at the third question, okay, let's take a look at it. We have a set of 31 integers starting from -15 going on to +15 with a 0 included. All of them are integers. We are picking 3 integers at random and we found the sum to be 0. In how many ways can we select these 3 integers? So basically it's not a probability, it is a permutation and combination problem. We are supposed to look at how many ways can we select 3 numbers such that the total is 0. Now, when the total is supposed to be 0, it can happen in 2 ways. First way, case number 1. We have 3 numbers. One of them is a 0, which means the other 2 numbers are exactly cancelling out and you'll be getting the answer as 0. So this and this are exactly cancelling out. So for example, if I take -15, 0 and +15, my answer will be 0 because they'll cancel out. Similarly, -14, 0 and +14, my answer will be 0. So I will have a total of 15 cases like this. All of these will give me the total of 0. So that is in case 1, I have 15 cases. Great. Let's look at case 2. Now case 2 is the scenario where there is no 0 in any of the 3 numbers. So 0 is not a part of the set of the 3 numbers. In such a case, what should happen? You should have a large negative number and 2 small positive numbers net cancelling out. Okay, so one large negative number and these 2 are positive numbers and these 3 should cancel out and I should get the answer as 0. So let's see, if I take 1 here, I can have 14 here and -15. If I take 1, I can have 13 here and -14. Similarly, if I take 1, I can have 12 and -13. If you notice, I can take with 1 of the positive numbers as +1. I can go on doing this till +1, +2 and -3. So how many cases are there? If I take 1, if I start with 1, this 1 will give me how many cases? It is from 2 to 14. So basically I'll be looking at 13 cases. I'm looking at 13 cases. Now I can also have this middle number as 2. If it is 2, then already 1 is counted. So I will not take 2 and 1 because 2, 1, -3 is counted. The order does not matter. Remember, we are selecting here. It's a selection, not a permutation. So if the middle number is 2, then I can take the next positive number as 3. Then this will become -5. Then 2, 4, -6, 2, 5, -7 and so on. It can go on till let's say 2 and now remember 2, 14 cannot be possible because 2 plus 14 is 16 and -16 doesn't exist. So we can only go up to -15, which means it will go till 13. So how many numbers are there? If you have the middle number as 2, then you will have 13 minus 3 plus 1. So basically 11 cases. Similarly, if you take the middle number as 3, you will have 9 cases. 4 will give you 7 cases. 5 will give you 5 cases. 6 will give you 3 cases. 7 will give you 1 case. Now remember, you can't take 8 because when you took 7, observe what happened when you took 7. If one of the number is 7, then the next number has to be 8 and this is -15. That is the only case. So if you take this as 8, you will get 7 and -15. And anything higher you take, you will start getting the reverse of these cases. So what we need is over here. So what is this total? So this is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7 plus 3, 20, 25, 35, 36, 46, 49. So totally we have 49 cases. Okay. Now remember, this is the scenario, case 2, where there is 1 negative number and 2 positive numbers. We can also have a case 3, where there are 2 negative numbers and 1 positive number. So the logic is exactly same as case number 2. So if we got 49 cases here, we will just have to change the sign. So we'll have plus 15, minus 1, minus 14. That is this case, right? So the same 49 will happen also in your case number 3. So your answer is case number 1, 15, 49 and 49. So 9 to the 18 plus 5, 23, 8, 10, 13, 113. That is option C is your correct answer, right? Let's move on.